The construction on this road started a few months ago and it is moving so fast. So this road takes you to Arele and other parts of Lagos State. This place falls under Ogun State, but from Treasure Hiltop Estate to Ikeja is just about 25 minutes. It is accessible to all parts of Lagos. The construction is from the bridge down there. You can see that they are already working on this side. They are going for physical allocation. So I decided to bring you this update. A lot of you have reached out to me to know how far the construction is. You can see that it is moving so fast. The whole of this place is going to be tied. This is a good place to own a property for rental income or for residential. Watch this video to the end, as I'll also be showing you updates in Treasure Hiltop Estate, Command, Alagbado. We have both land and houses. And if you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, thank you, and please come with us.